Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the install won't fail. Confirm your Craftsman 5 license and an admin account, and ensure the target server is reachable over the network. Once done, make sure DNS resolves the host and note the static IP, gateway, and any proxy details. Next, prepare credentials. A local admin user plus an SSH key or password. Now open Craftsman 5 Management Console and choose Add Server to begin the onboarding wizard. You now configure the connection and map roles so the server performs correctly. Choose Transport, SSH for Linux or WinRM for Windows, specify port and increase timeout for slow links and test the connection. Then assign one or more roles such as Application, Database, or Load Balancer. This tells Craftsman which services to deploy. Also configure security. Map the user account, add necessary sudo rules, and open required firewall ports. Once validated, save and move to provisioning. You finish by provisioning and verifying the server so it's production ready. Start the provisioning job to install the Craftsman agent and apply configuration templates. Watch the live logs for failures. After completion, validate by checking service status, health checks, and metrics. Confirm scheduled backups and monitoring. If something goes wrong, consult the agent logs and the management console. Common fixes include correcting SSH keys, adjusting firewall rules, or rerunning the provisioning job. If needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.